I mean, one of the problems with modern medicine in the West is that it just tends to focus on the high-tech things and not really pay attention to the patient. Well, the other aspect, of course, is the incredible success of traditional Chinese medicine, which is more holistic, but it also is much more observant of the patient, to see how they're responding to everything.
And those measures cannot solve the problems we are faced with. To solve this issue, we need to improve, to build our capacity of biosecurity governance in global perspective. We need to take a science-based and a proactive attitude, and also we need to have effective methods.
If we are to take on these existential challenges facing us, including environmental destruction and out-of-control capitalism, we need to change people's viewpoints, their ways of thinking, their value systems and behavior on a global scale.
And of course, there are big differences between the US and China, between the Western world and China, but we cannot focus on the strategic competition as a way forward. Then we must focus on a cooperation as the basis and not competition. But the whole policy debate has moved from cooperation versus competition to competition and confrontation, and that's a pretty dangerous one.
When it comes to addressing civilizational crises and for trying to find lasting results, I think we have to address our root causes, right? And I do that by asking, what's the problem beneath the problem? So we can all acknowledge that COVID-19 is a problem, but if we only rely on a vaccine or some advanced technology solution to protect us, but we don't understand the deeper causes, I think that we're going to continue to struggle with issues of biosecurity.
And that's because coronavirus and climate change destabilize life, and both lead to precarious imbalances. Accelerated development destroys natural habitat and upsets the natural balance of species, which endangers human life.
And my hope is that China now becomes a much more active and forthright player in that area, particularly given the fact that China is the number one and number two power in the development of the most important of these technologies, the digital technologies and biotechnologies.
Many reasons today has led to this ecological crisis, including the disappearance of species, and science is part of the reason. A science here means modern science, a science as tool, and science is very rational. It is the product of some Western-centered, industry-centered science and technology. In the post-industry era, the modern science may go down.
So today, we have AI, we have big data, and the energy, those things that has given us have allowed us to take swift actions to respond to the pandemic. Moreover, what's also very important is that we need to leverage AI, we need to leverage big data, but we also at the same time must pay attention to the data privacy and data security. So regulations must be set up.
Transportation service within the whole country. All these have supported the curbing of COVID-19 in China. First, we can reduce the contact, the physical contact between persons, and also we can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of such job. During this moment, the smart transportation has played a positive role, and I believe that in the future, the scenario of application can be richer and can make greater contribution to the human being.